All right, hello and welcome back. Yeah, let me just sip this monster. Yeah, hello and welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer, like I always do. Nothing is for sale. Nothing is monetized. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates, or anything else. The only link you'll find will be in my description. That is to my Discord, where there's just trading talk, links to my videos, and not much else going on. With that said, let's get to it. So just let me do a refresh here because it's been stagnant. It's been open for a while. That's the same shit. So yeah, Macron stuff like mentioned yesterday. It's not really anything. .com fears. I've been mentioning this for a while now. If you've been watching, and it's the new, but that's not relevant for us either. If you're a currency trader, I mean, if you have a large stock portfolio, it might be, but not the currency trading part, and that's what we're focusing on here. But there is no headline race, nothing to worry about. SPY again strong, just hitting all-time highs, straight line up. Dollar index stagnant, and we'll get to the trades we were in. So this one I had to bring up the Discord because it's so hard to see. Like what? So on this one I got smashed out. If you weren't watching the video yesterday, I mentioned that because I'm up 9.5%, I'm going to be cutting all risk in half from full percentage point to zero point 0.5, which means my max win will also be 1%. However, this one was a break even loss, not a 0.5% loss, which it might seem like, even on the 12-hour. But if we open up the Discord here, I was talking about it. Blah, blah, blah. It was looking like a very good trade. It was a very good trade, and then it turned right around. I said, yeah, there'll be a faggot. Move sell-offs to break even, yeah, and that's what I did myself, and I got stopped out at break even. I had a little bit of a poor entry on this one, or not a poor entry. That's way wrong wording. I had a late entry. It was a poor entry, so it should have looked something more like that, and then like that. A very easy, clean trade. But I had a little bit of a late entry, which was still valid and fine. So whatever. Nothing is ever going to be perfect. So still up 9.5%, which means I will still be at half risk because I'm not going to risk getting a 4R trade and then suddenly being up 13.5% this month. Fuck that. Fuck that right off. I'm sticking to my limits. 10% a month is 200% a year. That's already so fucking much. Oh shit. So let's get through it. Let's look at some potential setups. See what we can do here. Again, we might need a redraw because of all the fucking breakouts. Like, just look at this. And then we've had to redraw. Everything is just off the rails. We want redraw on a Tuesday though. That would happen after or close to market close. Oh yeah, these ones. We were looking at talking about these ones yesterday. These completely blow my areas out of the water. These huge ass. Well, here we have what looks like it was a very interesting trade with the indecision candle. It is actually triggering right now. Motherfucker. Let me just see. So comfortable. Exit here. There we go. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That looks messy. But yeah, this looks fine. Remember, you don't need a 2.0R. These are interesting. I'm going to look at that later. Yeah, these are just blowing my shit away. Can't even, like, I'm not going to start redrawing right now. Like, what? We're going to fix that going into the next week. Because there's no hurry, you know? We're swing traders. It's alright. It's alright. If we get a good trade a week, it's a good week, you know? A good trade, a nice trade with an extension, 3%. If we do that a week, like, damn, we're good. That's the ATH one. A lot of stagnancy and blowouts. Just nothing in between, I guess. Huh. I need it. I need to redraw this. Definitely. Okay, wait till this one I was in. It was only singular. I only did a singular extension. Remember, don't. No matter what the fuck happens, don't extend through a double resistance. The 200 MA is there, resistance is there. Don't fuck with it. Like, what the fuck? Get out. It was a 2.5 hour trade already. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna draw on gold right now because this is actually looking interesting, and I'm gonna explain to you why. Fuck. There you go. We're gonna start all the way down here before gold had its huge breakout. I'm gonna do the top point. I'm gonna do the bottom point, and that's it. Beyond that, what I'm seeing is these reaction points, these strong reaction points. What I mentioned earlier is that you need a double tap for an area to be solid, but also when you see strong levels or strong reactions to liquidity pushing up to levels, we can use that. With gold in mind, you have to remember that it doesn't move like a regular currency pair. That's why a lot of Forex traders will struggle with gold a lot. Well, I don't. I mean, this will be the 4th month that I'm posting. And we've been doing really good on gold. Really good. This is really nice. Potentially. Because gold is sort of, in its sense, it is always uptrending. Like fundamentally, you'll have down periods and stuff, but it's an asset in that sense. Not the same as stock, but it kind of moves like a stock. And right now there is hype around stock. No, sorry, around gold, which we could exploit. We could do short breakouts on it, lower time frame, like 8 hour. But I'm not seeing one right now. I'll go give a good explanation. Oh shit! What the fuck, man? I'll give a good explanation when I see one. Because we did it here when it started off a lot, I believe, and we did a reversal as well. Yeah, we did quite a lot with it. Anyways, let's get to reviewing the potential we have here. This will be a classic reversal. Continuation in an uptrend. It is all within the SR area and all that. I mean, shit. just look at this area. Where does this stem from? Oh, what the fuck? How far did I have to go back? The Stone Age? There. So we went back. What year is this? 2000. How back? 10 years. Decade. Okay. I don't trust this level very much. So I'm not going to put too much value in it. Therefore, I'm going to... do a... better. Let's see if I can get a better entry on this one. Maybe a 0.5. Safer one. But that'll be excessive at that point. We're already trending down again. We could go very tight and just get smashed out. Lower our win rate. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to mark this one as a proper entry. Get this entry a little bit lower. Yeah, that's looking fine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do with this one. And I'm going to mark that as entered. I'm going to enter that one in this video. I'm going to post it in the Discord as well. It's not the best trade. I'm feeling iffy on it. But I'm all good. I'm all good. I'm making it. This is a classic reversal continuation, by the way. Because it's not classic reversal in the sense that it's ranging, like I've talked about before. We'd be hitting new ranges or potentially creating new ranges. So in that sense, it's a classic reversal continuation. So that's all I've got for now. Or all. It's quite a lot, actually. With that said, thank you for watching. I appreciate the view. If you got any questions, leave a comment on the YouTube videos or just hop in the Discord. Do whatever you want. And thank you for watching. I'll see you. Bye-bye.